All right, guys, update on the hothouse. It's going pretty good so far. I'll show you guys the success so far. We've got one radish growing. There's a couple radishes back here growing. Some of the seeds here haven't quite germinated yet, but I believe that they still will, some of them. It's supposed to snow 5 to 8 inches, and it's also supposed to be 0. So I'm going to put some of this old insulation in a feed bag on top, just to insulate it a little bit. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm going to set this down for just a moment. Set this window back up. So you can see I'm just setting these on top just to give it a little more insulation. Just because it's supposed to be 0 the next couple days. I think this will help a lot. I can definitely tell it is warmer in there. There's little doubt in my mind about that. So it's coming along pretty good. I just figured I'd give you guys an update on it. Being I made the video and stuff. I planted a couple beets in there that didn't germinate quite yet. So that's going on. I'm going to cut this feed bag open and I'm going to put it over the top of this insulation. But yeah, it's supposed to be 0 a couple nights here. So which is very abnormal for this area. This is a good use for feed bags, stuff like this. You know, I'm planning on putting a bunch of them on the garden this year. Instead of tarps and stuff. Right. And it's not going to be perfect, but I think that'll do. Probably keep it a lot warmer in there. And then I'm going to put a heavy piece of wood on top. Here's one. This one is real heavy. That might be a little too heavy, honestly. That one's, it's waterlogged. There's that. Here's this 2x4. That'll work. All right. So anyway, the hothouse has been pretty good so far. Just figured I'd give you guys an update on it. Here's the sheep over here. The lambs are doing well. They're growing pretty well. There's the ram. Here's an apple tree that I planted. I'm planning on planting a bunch of apple trees this year. So anyway, just an update on the hothouse, guys, and I'll post this video.